This is the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Wednesday, the 20th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Near record warmth will continue for the rest of the week and into the weekend as a summer-like weather pattern has set up here across central Florida. Will we see any cooler weather anytime soon? And of course, we'll talk about those rain chances also. But first, checking out the almanac from yesterday, 85 degrees for our afternoon high, 66 the morning low, just missing that record high from last year. And outside right now here at 7:15 a.m., mostly cloudy skies to start this day. And how about 73 degrees at Tampa International right now? Dew points at 68, humidity 83%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, we're mostly above 70 right now. Again, temperatures that we'd see in May or June for our morning lows. And a quick peek at the upper look shows why we're so warm. A summer-like ridge, upper heights around 590 decameters here across central Florida. So it is going to stay mild for a while. Meanwhile, out in the western states, a huge, very cold winter storm. Check it out on the watch warning map. We've got winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories extending from the Midwest through the Northeast, out in the Pacific Northwest, and in the Southwest. Some places that don't normally see snow under a winter weather advisory from this afternoon through Friday morning, like Las Vegas, where they could be picking up several inches of snow. Elsewhere, some freeze warnings across southern Arizona today. So a hodgepodge, but not much happening here in Florida. The convective outlook for today, we've got a slight risk of severe storms over southern Mississippi with a marginal risk for the adjacent states. A little thunder possible in the panhandle, but nothing severe expected there. And precipitation valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Tampa Bay around 1/10 of an inch, maybe, give or take. Your amount might vary slightly, but the overall trend here is not a whole lot of precipitation, but small chances of light rain every day. And we'll detail that now as we get out to the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's that cold upper trough out in the western states. And there's the 591 ridge over the South Atlantic extending here across Florida. So down at the surface today, we'll see some clouds this morning. I'd call it mostly cloudy, and then we'll see a decrease in clouds through the day. A small chance we could still see some showers around through, I'd say, mid to late morning. Highs this afternoon will get up into the mid-80s, and it will be muggy. It's just going to feel like a late spring or early summer day. How about that? Tonight, partly cloudy skies, maybe a little patchy fog overnight, and a small chance of a shower. Lows 65 to 70. And then tomorrow, again, mid-80s are likely, and pretty much the same setup will continue on Friday. Mid-80s with partly sunny skies, and those small chances of showers will be with us off and on each day as we have a frontal boundary north of the state. Most of the moisture, most of the rain stays away from us, but could still see a small chance of getting something in here. Same thing over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We'll see temperatures back off a degree or two, perhaps. But overall, temperatures are still going to remain well above average, around 10 degrees or so. And small chances of precipitation will continue. Going into Monday, we've got a surface boundary that's going to pass through here Sunday night and into Monday. And normally that would bring in somewhat cooler air. And I guess if you want to call 2 or 3 degrees of cooler air, then sure. Highs closer to 80 on Monday, and we should see just a small chance of showers, especially in the morning. Then as we go out to Tuesday, guess what? Another chance of showers in here, and temperatures will still be above normal. Highs close to 80, maybe the low 80s. Some of the guidance suggests we'll be warming back up into the mid-80s. We'll see about that. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 27th, kind of a zonal flow, but heights still a little bit above average, so temperatures will remain above average. Going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Friday, the 1st of March, the start of meteorological spring, and a zonal flow in place, and temperatures still, although not quite as warm, will be above average. Let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Yeah, it's got us in the mid-80s for the rest of the week, and then as we get toward the first week of March, temperatures heading down just a little bit. But overall, it doesn't look like we're going to see any major cool downs anytime soon. And, well, winter is probably over for us. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a great Wednesday.